Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to split Amazon purchases on multiple credit cards. To split a purchase across multiple payment methods on Amazon, start by visiting Amazon.com. If you're not signed in, click Sign In at the top right and enter your email and password. Once logged in, browse for the item you'd like to buy, click on it, and select Add to Cart. When you're ready to check out, go to your cart in the top right corner and click Proceed to Checkout. Confirm your delivery address, then move to the payment section. Here, you can manage how you'd like to split your payment. Amazon allows you to combine credit or debit cards with gift cards. Begin by applying any gift card codes you have. This amount will be deducted from your total first. Then, select your preferred credit or debit cards and decide how much to charge to each. This option is especially useful if you're sharing costs with someone or balancing funds across accounts. Once you've set your payment preferences, review your order summary carefully to ensure all details are correct and then place your order. You'll see a confirmation page and receive a detailed email confirming your purchase. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.